जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Godavari is the good, very famous river. Priya Priyayam. Sita likes Godavari river. Probably Sita went to that river. Do you think so, Lakshmana? No, she won't be going there because she never went to any place without me. Lakshmana, Padmanana, Padma Visalanetra, the lotus faced Sita, the lotus like nice eyes Sita has, such Sita, Padman Ivanetum. Do you think that she went to get some lotus from some pond? No, it wouldn't happen because Mayavina Nagachati. She would never go anywhere without me. Oh Lakshmana, from some parks, from some beautiful forests, she probably went to get some of the flowers, or she probably went to visit those beautiful parks. Do you think so, Lakshmana? No, she won't go because she has fear. She would never go anywhere into those kind of forests without me. Like this, Ramachandra Swami saying to Lakshmana, and immediately again he is looking at Surya Bhagavan and saying that, oh Surya Bhagavan, in this world, what is happening, what is not happening, everything, you are the one who is noticing every day. Oh Surya Bhagavan, you are the witness for all those who are doing bad deeds. You are the witness for all those who are doing good deeds. Oh Aditya, can you please tell me, where is my Sita? Where did she go? Who has taken my Sita? Can you please tell me the details of my Sita? Sri Ramachandra Swami asking all the devatas about Sitamma. He is saying that he is asking, Ho Vayudeva, Lokeshu Sarveshu Cha Nasti Kinchit. In all the worlds, there is nothing that you would not know what is happening. So Vayudeva, please tell me about my Sita. Hruta Mrutava Pathivartateva. Is my Sita abducted by someone? Is my Sita dead? Or is my Sita coming back or on her way back to this ashramam? Oh Vayudeva, please tell me about my Sita. Like that, Ramachandra Swami, while asking, he is drowned into so much of grief and he is again gone unconscious. With that kind of Ramachandra Swami, Lakshmana is saying that, Oh Rama, Sokam Vimuncha, please do not cry. Dhritim Bhajasva, get your strength back and courage back. Oh Rama, let both of us start searching for Sita. Oh Rama, do you know that if anything is strongly resolved and with all the enthusiasm, if anyone does start doing any work in this world, there is nothing that cannot be accomplished, there is nothing that cannot be attained. So let both of us, with all of our strength and with all of our strong resolution, let us start searching for Sita. Like that, Lakshmana said to Rama. But still Rama is not getting pacified by Lakshmana's words. He is now asking, Oh Lakshmana, Sighram Janihi Gatva Godavarim Nadim. You now itself, you immediately go to Godavari Nadi and search for Sita around there. Then immediately Lakshmana went to Godavari, searched everywhere, came back and saying to Rama that, Oh Rama, I searched for Sitamma everywhere in all the banks of Godavari. Nowhere I could see Sita. Oh Rama, I do not know where is Sita. Janakaputri Sita, I do not know where is she. When Lakshmana said like that, Ramachandra Swami now by himself, Ramaha Samabhichakrama Swayam Godavarim Nadim. He himself is now again gone to Godavari Nadi and asked Godavari, but Godavari did not respond to Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.